I would tell them that I find them extremely welcoming, and in my profession, welcoming people is important. I would tell them that I didn't feel any sense of pressure, and it was very relaxing. Hi, my name is Tom, and I just bought a 2020 Ford Escape from Abigail at Lou Fusz Ford. Well, I will tell you, my first contact with her was actually last night. I had filled out a form online as I was looking, and she texted me. And then she texted this morning, and she said, when was a good time for us to get together? And so we set a time for me to come this morning, and she just made it very personable, she made it very welcoming. She was easy to work with. We were able to, she asked me what my parameters were in terms of mileage or cost or payments. And so I was just really impressed with her willingness to reach out to me, and having never met me before. I like the fact that it sits me up higher than my previous car. I had a 2015 Fiesta. I like the comfortability of the car, particularly I spend most of my time driving to and from work on the highway. So I like the gas mileage, I like the comfort of the car, I like the way the car runs, and I'm enjoying having an SUV, essentially.